How to avoid waking up in REM sleep? Have you ever woken up feeling groggy and disoriented only to realize it takes a while to shake off that sleepy feeling? This is often because you woke up during the wrong stage of your sleep cycle, specifically during REM sleep. So, how can you avoid waking up in this stage? First, let's understand the sleep cycle. You go through several stages of sleep each night, including 3 stages of non-REM sleep and 1 stage of REM sleep. Each full cycle takes about 90 to 120 minutes to complete, and you typically go through 4 to 6 cycles per night. To avoid waking up in REM sleep, you need to time your wake-up to coincide with the end of a full sleep cycle. Here's how you can do it. Understand your sleep cycles. Each cycle includes stages of light sleep, deep sleep, and REM sleep. The first cycle of REM sleep usually occurs about 60 to 90 minutes after you fall asleep. As the night progresses, you spend more time in REM sleep, especially in the second half of the night. Set your alarm strategically. To wake up feeling refreshed, set your alarm to go off after a complete cycle. For example, if you go to bed at 10 p.m., set your alarm for 6:30 a.m. or 7:30 a.m., which would be after 4 or 5 full cycles. This way, you're more likely to wake up during a light stage of sleep rather than deep REM sleep. Avoid waking during deep sleep. Waking up during the deep stages of sleep, stages 3 and 4, can be particularly disorienting. These stages typically occur between 4 a.m. and 6 a.m., so it's best to avoid waking up during this time if possible. Use smart alarm clocks. Consider using a smart alarm clock that can detect when you're in a light stage of sleep. These alarms can wake you up during a more gentle phase, making it easier to wake up feeling refreshed and alert. Establish a consistent sleep schedule. Stick to a regular sleep schedule to help your body get into a consistent rhythm. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends, can help regulate your sleep cycles and make it easier to wake up feeling refreshed. By following these tips, you can significantly reduce the chances of waking up in REM sleep and start your day feeling more alert and energized. Remember, it's all about timing and consistency.